Probably a lot of you don't know this. Now, I'm just at Wickes, been buying some MDF. So I just want to point this out, because probably a lot of you don't know this. Probably some of you tradespeople do, but a lot of you DIYs probably don't realise this. If you see that on a sheet material, or even on a piece of timber, and you don't need the full sheet, don't be frightened to ask for some discount. If you take the damaged product, will they give you some discount? Because I've just purchased 2 sheets of 9mm MDF there from Wickes. The sheets were £22.75 each. There was 2 sheets and they both got slight damage on edge. One was worse than the other, but the ladies looked and she's come back and she's knocked me £15.50 off the 2 sheets. So that's £15.50 off 2 sheets. So that's £7.75 off each sheet, just because they're damaged. And I don't need the full sheet. I'm going to cut about 9 inches off the edge of the sheet anyway, which I don't need. So what I'm trying to say is, if you see a damaged product and you don't need the full sheet, you can save yourself some money by asking. They are told to discount stuff if it is damaged. So if you go in any of the superstores and you see a damaged sheet or a damaged piece of timber, but you can make use of it, go and ask them. Just ask, don't be frightened to ask, and you save yourself some money on materials.